and loved ones, how are you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gucci's Kitchen. If you just stopping by for the first time to watch my platform, I want to say you are welcome and thank you for stopping by. To my consistent subscribers, my team Gucci's, you all are welcome and a very huge thank you for always tuning in. Okay, today I am going to be making some chicken wings, yeah, with my jerk seasoning. Look out for that jerk seasoning recipe. You all know I love spicy in this kitchen. And guys, honestly, my best part of chicken is chicken wings. Everybody know that. So family, I just want to take you along. See how sumptuous Gucci's seasoning is looking already. It's not like the regular one in the store. This is homemade, and I promise you it is very, very sumptuous. This is beautiful. Sometimes you have to just do these things yourself, you know. It will only, you know, save you a lot of money. I save myself some change, you know, when I make my recipe myself. And again, I mean, I'm sure what I have inside. I'm not just making the recipe because I want to make it, but I want to make sure what is inside those bottles. Yeah. See how delicious it's looking. Yeah, this is Gucci's recipe. Jerk seasoning. Gucci's recipe. See how beautiful. Yeah. Trust me guys, this is going to come out so good. Okay guys, we are going to put it right into the oven and then get to the next step. Okay guys, here's my chicken broth and here is my butter. I'm making jollof rice, so here's my jollof rice sauce. I've already gone ahead to make my jollof rice sauce, so I'm just going to start by adding it here. This is dinner, so I don't want to waste time. I just made this sauce ahead of time. Yeah, so that it won't be a very long video. This is another easy way. Another easy way you can make your jollof rice. Very easy. Make your sauce by the side. Just put your chicken broth, meat broth, whatever, goat broth, and then let it cook for just like 10 or 5 minutes. You know, if you bring it out from the freezer, you just let it be in the pot. It will defrost just like this one, and then you just add your sauce and then add your rice. My stew has everything already, you all know. I will not want to add any more seasoning until when my rice is, except if I find out I need to add some more seasoning. Yeah, so you just want to put them, turn it together, then let it cook gradually. cooking, I'm going to head up to the salad now, because we are enjoying this with some salad. Okay guys, if you want to add some more sauce, you go ahead. Okay guys, I'll just add my belly. So guys, we're about to check this chicken. Okay, not yet. I think I should still leave it. I wanted to turn it over, but I'll still leave it. Okay guys, it's time to add some vegetables to our rice. Yeah, I just want it to be fast guys. I have to add some foil paper. That rice is good guys. See how beautiful guys. Alright guys, we want to check our chicken. Hey, see how sumptuous. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. Woo, this is good guys. Our chicken is ready. Yeah, we have to turn it at the other side. We flipped it to the other side behind the camera. Yeah. Guys, this is good. So I want to round up with the salad so we can start eating. I want to go ahead and start mixing. So I have my spring mix. I have my onion, red onion. I'm using red onion. I have some cabbage. I have my green olives. I have my cucumber, carrots. Yes, my tomatoes. Yeah, I've gone ahead to clean them nicely and dice them. I have some egg. We'll be using egg for this recipe, salad recipe. Yeah, and I have some corn. What I don't have here is baked beans, Nigerian baked beans. Yeah. So guys, we are using this avocado ranch. I want to try it for the first time anyways. I'll let you know how it tastes. I don't know if you have tasted this. Let me see your comments in the comment section. I'll be using this very one. To my salad, I have washed nicely with vinegar, salt and water. I'm just going to drizzle my lime. I like to do this. Yeah. I want to enjoy myself. Guys, I hope you have given this video a thumbs up. If you've been watching and you haven't given it a thumbs up, please do give this video a thumbs up. Okay, I'll be mixing my salad into this bowl. Yeah, so I'll do this. I want everything to get to know each other. I'm not putting too much onions because some people here don't eat onion. Honestly, I have craved for salad. I like salad a lot. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. If you like salad, let me know. And you know, this is the time for salad. Yeah. This is the time for salad. Everywhere is hot. You need to have some lovely salad in the house. So you come back from work, you have something to enjoy yourself with. Very important. I'm going to be enjoying this salad with that lovely jollof rice and the amazing chicken wings. Guys, how is this salad looking? Let me know what you think about this salad. This is my green salad. I want it close to Nigerian salad, so this is what it is. Guys, this salad looks so good. I have some eggs, so I want to go ahead and beautify it with some eggs. How is it looking already? Guys, come and join us for dinner. How is that looking, guys? Isn't that beautiful? Okay, guys, thank you all so much for staying. Thank you so much. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts. I'm officially ending this video so that we can go and do what? Eat. Thank you for staying. Make sure you stay to the end of this video. Share to your friends and loved ones. Like, subscribe if you haven't done so. Please, it's free of charge. Please subscribe. Share to your family and friends. Let them know about Gucci's, okay? I love you all so much. Ciao, ciao.